From now on, we will keep studying the fifth type of clause while focusing on the case that the objective complement is a description. There's an example. I keep a plant alive. The objective complement alive with a trait of an adjective describes the object, a plant. The speaker describes the condition of the object, a plant, to receive the definition of the transitive verb keep with an adjective alive that practices the role of the objective complement. There is the second example. He allows you to eat pizza. In this clause, the to infinitive is applied as in the objective complement. The objective complement is a phrase of the to infinitive, to eat pizza. The phrase of the to infinitive, to eat pizza, is a purposed or a planned action of the object, the listeners. The speaker describes the condition of the object you to receive the definition of the transitive verb allows with the phrase of the to infinitive, to eat pizza, that practices the role of the objective complement. The speaker assumes that the object you will actualize the action indicated by the to infinitive, to eat, later than the present when the subject he actualizes the condition indicated by the transitive verb allows. This explanation is about the definition of the preposition to included in the phrase of the to infinitive, to eat pizza. The third example is this. She prepares a meal to have been eaten. In this clause, the objective complement is a phrase of the to infinitive, to have been eaten. So we can understand that the object of this clause, a meal, is described with a planned or a purposed completion of an experience. The experience is to receive the action indicated by the transitive verb eat, that is the verb form of the past participle eaten. So the speaker states the object, a meal, to complete a purposed experience, to receive the action indicated by the transitive verb eat by an unstated subject during the period of the experience. So this clause can be understood as a situation that we prepare a party. In the party, there are some food to be eaten by the participants. So, plus the party is going to or is planned to last during a period like 3 or 4 hours. During the 3 or 4 hours, the party food that we are making are expected to be eaten. The speaker describes the condition of the object, a meal, to receive the definition of the transitive verb prepares, with the phrase of to infinitive, to have been eaten, that practices the role of the objective complement. The speaker assumes the experience of the object, a meal, which the objective complement to have been eaten indicates to be finished later than the present when the definition of the transitive verb prepares actualizes. The period when the experience of the object, a meal, lasts is the period when the speaker assumes the object, a meal, to exist. The object of the to infinitive to have that has the trait of the adjective is not stated in the clause clearly. This explanation makes us remind of the clause stated in the perfect tense. We will study this part related to the perfect tense. The existence of the object, a meal, is the response to the period. We supposed this period as a party for this meal to be eaten. So the past participle been has the trait of the adverb to describe the existence of the object, a meal. The object, this is obvious because the experience can be stated upon the premise that an experience lasts during a period.